Treviso City is the heart of Prosecco DOC, home to fun, fresh, and affordable sparkling wine.
As regards the production area, it's delimited to 9 provinces in Friuli, Venezia Giulia, and Veneto region. This means that Prosecco can only be produced in this area. The vineyards cover more than 57,000 acres. Prosecco designation of origin gets its name from the little town of Prosecco, which is located some kilometers northern than Trieste. However, the first mention of wine production in northeastern Italy dates back to the 1st century AD. In the 18th century, the production of Prosecco was spread not only in the town of Prosecco, but also in the Friuli, Venezia Giulia, and Veneto region. Prosecco has always part of the culture of Friuli, Venezia Giulia, and Veneto regions. Particularly relevant was the development of a sparkling production method which was able to enhance these wine's characteristics. Firstly, in the currently Conegliano Valdobbiadene DOCG area, then in the Prosecco DOC area. The main grape variety that can be used is the Glera grape. Let's now move to the different styles of Prosecco DOC. Thanks to the winemaking technique, it is possible to get 3 types of Prosecco DOC: sparkly, semi-sparkly, and still.
With 2,000 years of history behind the bottle, Prosecco's connection to culture is crystal clear.
All along the years, Treviso has been very well known because of its cultural and artistic heritage. The consortium of Prosecco DOC, which with its intervention reiterated the link between this Italian excellence and the Treviso territory. We are honored to have here in Santa Caterina Museum the Kiss by Rodin. I think this work is both lovable and sensual. The name of the work is The Kiss, but there is no kiss at all. They are about to kiss. The secret of this beauty is absolutely this: the beauty, the sensual way of representing this love story between Paolo and Francesca in the Middle Age, the story of these 2 young people falling in love, but it's a tragedy. We know they was killed by Francesca's husband. We see 2 young people falling in love for the first time. It reminds us a little also the taste of Prosecco, both sensual, it's a pleasure to drink some Prosecco, and it's also some sparkling in the end.
Now, time to get our fill at one of the top pizzerias in town, where innovation is the secret ingredient.
Today I want to show you my favorite pizza. We start, at first I'm using mozzarella cheese from Agerola. It's a particular mozzarella, cut it by hand. Then we have roots. This is roots from Radicchio di Treviso, is an Italian chicory. The roots from this is Radicchio Rosso di Treviso. I'm using a special cream. This cheese is called in Italy Casatella DOP. And then we are using this compote. Is a special sweet compote in contrast with the bitter roots. The Prosecco is the perfect pairing with my pizza and generally with the old pizza style because the fruity, the floral and the freshness of Prosecco clean the mouth from the mozzarella cheese and absolutely is the perfect wedding with the pizza. So now we will taste it. And chin chin Monique.
Prosecco DOC is a very versatile wine that can be consumed as an aperitif or during the whole meal. It is fresh with a delicate balance between sugar and acidity and a floral and fruity taste. Its moderate alcohol concentration makes it light, easy to drink, and perfect for every kind of wine consumer.
We're in Treviso, and Elisabetta is treating me to a typical aperitivo. Elisabetta, I've lost my voice because I'm having so much fun. We've been trying to figure out where the heck the Spritz came from. You are a Spritz expert. Where was it born?
Well, for sure we don't know, but I can see you that mixing drinks has ancient and deep roots in Europe, and it's very likely a Spritz was born in Veneto. Anyway.
So now the Spritz is topped with a little bit of, what is this, sparkling water?
Right. Yeah, sparkling water, Aperol, of course Prosecco.
Of course, Prosecco. We do not have this tradition in the United States. I want to make this my home tradition.
Yeah.
We say now, we Spritz.
We Spritz.